Hello everyone and welcome. In this video, we're going to show you how to create geographic maps to visualize data in Designer applications. Here we're going to be using ecological footprint data that gives us an estimate of how much impact we have on the environment. I have two tables, one is by countries and the other by states. I gave these table name ranges and called them World Map Footprint and States Footprint respectively. You should also include the column headers in these tables. This will allow you to select them for the maps fields later. Just like any other module, maps can be inserted by dragging and dropping into the page. Once in place, we can click the map to configure it. The first thing we need to do is selecting the table name range. I'm going to start with the world map. We can choose from the map types of cartogram, continuous cartogram, standard map, and tile map. Each map type features a distinct look and a unique way of displaying the data. Note that the tile map is currently only available for the US states map. Map name option allows selecting the geographical locations to be displayed on the map. Continents, regions, countries, states, and cities are available in this list. This portion of my data uses country names, so I'm going to select world. Next, we need to select the data column that contains the area names to be used in this map. For the first map, this is going to be a country. Value field is where we need to select the data to be plotted. All four map types will display the selected data differently. Based on the value field, standard map will highlight each area, cartogram will present geographical locations in different size shapes, continuous cartogram will distort the areas and make them look larger or smaller depending on the data, and finally the tile map will show all areas in equal size shapes, but will color them accordingly. I'm going to select the ecological footprint to display this data. A background color can be assigned to maps from this palette. Map title is a text that will be displayed above the visualization. We can further customize this text by changing its color or font size. Chart legend and tooltips can be configured from corresponding menus. We can choose to enable or disable the chart legend, change its font properties, or change its placement from the position menu. When you're done, remember to press submit. Tooltips are the text bubbles that appear when you mouse over any map element. We can choose to enable or disable them, change their font settings, or customize its format by using this box. When you're done, remember to press submit to save all your changes. Let's go ahead and add a second map. This time I'm going to select the second table and select standard map again. From map name list, we need to find the US state selection to make this a states map. My label field is going to be the states list. And for the value field, I'm going to select ecological footprint. Now let's do a preview to see what we've done so far. These maps are fully interactive and you can mouse over these areas to see the details. Thank you for watching.